Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rashi Hamanio, bringing you tips and tricks and product recommendations to enhance your natural beauty. Hey, today I'm going to take you through this makeup tutorial for a beautiful, fresh, glowy, very easy makeup look for spring and summer. I mean, just check out that glow on the cheeks there. Yes. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so we are going to start off with Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Tan. I'm using shade 5 and I'm just going to pop this on the high points of my face and a little bit on the nose. Again, this is just going to help give you some glow. If you don't have this, just use any glowy primer, that will do. Okay, next I'm going to apply some powder just in the areas that I'm oily. Now, I'm doing that now because I want to make sure that I don't get oily throughout the day. So I'm just taking my RCMA powder and just putting it right where I'm oily, which is here on my cheeks and then my forehead. Now I'm going to go in with my Dior Skin Glow Foundation. This is now become my new favorite. So if you haven't seen my review video for this foundation, I'll link it down below. So do check it out. This is the shade 3 Warm Olive. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on. Then taking my hourglass brush, I'm just going to smooth this out. Okay, now we're going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go with the Pat McGrath concealer in the shade LM14. Now take a tiny bit of that same concealer and just add a little bit on the eye. Not too much, I'm just using a very tiny amount. Next, I'm just going to set my under eyes. Okay, so the same RCMA powder, I am just using that and patting that under my eyes. And just over a little bit on the eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to do the eyes first. And I'm using Nudestix Magnetic Matte Eye Color. This is in the shade Maroon. This is a gorgeous color, guys. If you have a skin tone that is similar to mine, this is a beautiful color. We're not going to use too much of this today just because I want to keep this look a little bit soft. So I'm just going to pop this on this much, and again just go in very roughly, and then we're just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I mean, how easy was that to blend out? I mean, seriously, you guys saw that. That was real time. I did not speed this up. So easy to blend out this shade. Seriously, when you were looking for an effortless eye look, this is perfect. I have been really enjoying this pencil. Particularly this shade, Maroon, is stunning. So I'm gonna add tiny bit here and go back in and blend that out. So I can make this darker, but I'm just going to keep this look very soft, so I'm not going to increase the intensity of this any further. Next, take your bronzer and a fluffy blending brush, 03 from Wayne Goss, and I'm taking Hoola bronzer in the shade Caramel. So you're just gonna pick up a very small amount and just go in that crease, and straight away it warms up the look. I love using this shade in my crease. It's a beautiful warm brown. Just take any brown eye pencil. I'm gonna take the one from Nudestix. I've just been loving Nudestix products lately, so I have been using them quite a bit. And go back into your other shade. So I'm taking Maroon back, and all I'm gonna do now is take a little bit of the maroon and take a little bit of the dark brown on a teeny tiny pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go under my eye. What I like about using a brush for this and not just going in straight with a pencil is that it's going to give you a really soft look with a brush. If you went in just with a pencil, you're going to have to then go in and try and blend it out. Okay, then grab a black eye pencil. I'm going with the one from Shiseido, and I'm just going to pipeline. Then let's do some eyebrows. So I just want a really natural look. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Just in the areas that my hairs are a little bit sparse. I'm just gonna add some intensity there. Okay, now we're gonna use some cream blushes from Fenty. So I'm gonna grab the shade Rose Latte from Fenty, because this tone is going to look stunning with sort of like a earthy brown look that we've got going on. So I'm just going to grab a little bit on my Wayne Gross brush here and just build up that color. And that tone is just perfect with this eye look. Yes, I like it. And that's the shade Rose Latte. By the way, if you ever want to clean up under this line here, just take a bit of a clean brush, flatten it out, and just do a little wiping motion there. And that's it, and that kind of gives you back your cheekbone area. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I kind of feel like adding a little bit of red to this look. So I'm going to take the Daquiri dip from Fenty, and let's just see how this looks. I'm going to add a tiny bit, just perfect, just here on the apples of the cheek, so that it's going to give it a little bit of a healthy glow, because Rose Latte is very much brown. It's just a touch of this shade here. Now I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder and just going to press this into the areas that I'm oily. So definitely here, around my mouth, just because I've got laugh lines and I'd like to set the foundation there. Definitely here, a little bit on the nose and on the forehead. Okay, now I'm going to take Benefit's Hoola bronzer in the shade Caramel. Love this shade. Brown skin tones, beautiful bronzer, very pigmented. You have to go a little bit light-handed with this, otherwise you can get a very dark streak. So I'm just very lightly just going to focus. That's it. We've already built up some intensity from the cream blush from Rose Latte, so I'm not going to add too much bronzer. Yes, that's looking very pretty. I am really enjoy this shade. I think Benefit did a great job with this shade for mediums to even a little bit darker skin tones. I mean, finally they came out with a bronzer for us, so kudos to that. Just going to focus that on the top of my forehead there, on the jawline, and tiny bit down the neck. Okay, now for the best part. I'm going to be using as a highlighter Becca's Glow Stick. So this is a product that when I first purchased I was really disappointed, because I'll show you why. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. When I pop this on my hand, it has this pink purple reflex that when I first put it on my hand, I really didn't like it. I was just like, this is not gonna look good on me. Pink purple, seriously? Where's the gold? It does have some gold in it, but you know, it definitely gives off a pinky purple reflex. So I didn't use this for, this is what it looks like. And I didn't use this product for a very long time. I just kind of stashed it in the back of my drawer. So I was really upset that I spent money on this and then didn't like it. I bought it online. And then I fished it out of my drawer the other day, and wow, I totally love this. I can't believe this has been sitting in the back of my drawer. Now this is the highlighting product that has a bit of a slippy texture. I want to go in on your cheek with this in a swiping motion. That's going to pick up all the foundation and the product that we built up. So instead, we're just going to take a little finger and I'm just going to tap it just at the high points. And it adds a beautiful dewy glow. So this is particularly going to be great for people that have dry skin. And again, you want to be careful with this product, not too much, because then you're going to look really, really dewy. And I am, oh, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. And on me, really, it doesn't look pinky purple. It just gives a nice dewy look. This is so beautiful. I love this product. And again, you just pat it in. And it really hasn't disturbed my makeup underneath, and that's in the method of application. If you swipe, you're going to ruin your makeup. You gotta make sure you take it on your finger and then you just pat in however much you need. Okay, so that's all that I'm gonna put on my cheeks, no more. I'm gonna put a little bit here on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to actually add this to my eye. So right in the middle here. Just gonna pop this in. It's gonna give you, oh, look how gorgeous that looks. I mean, seriously, it's just gonna give your eye this glossy look. Your eye will crease, but I don't mind that. And you've got a great summery glossy eye. I just love this product. Whew. Oh, how gorgeous is this? Yes. And then I'm going to take a little bit and just add it to my Cupid's bow. So I have been truly loving this product. Now you just have to be careful with this. If you take a lot and put it everywhere, you are going to look like an oil slick. So don't do that. Just put it in the areas that you want that shine. Use a small amount and really that's enough. And then I'm gonna go with one of my favorite mascaras, which is Dior Show Over Curl. What I love about this specific mascara is that it really holds the curl. And just keep your eyes a little bit looking down, just so that that mascara can dry and not transfer up into the glossy area. Now, just while we're looking down, I am gonna go with Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is in the shade Walk of Shame. Again, the lip look I want is also soft. Cool. And then I'm going to top this with Fenty's lip gloss, Fenty Glow. This is a gorgeous lip gloss. I love it. And that's the look, guys. What do we think? Hey guys, so this is the look. It's glossy. We've got the glossy eye, the glossy cheeks, and the glossy lips. I love this look. Perfect for spring and summer. Just a note, if you do use this Glow Glaze stick from Becca, it's a little bit tacky. So if you're planning to wear your hair out, just be careful because your hair might get stuck on your cheek. So I would actually use this only when you're planning to put your hair up. But it is so beautiful. It really does give your cheeks that dewy glow. It doesn't impart lots of shimmer. There is no glittery flecks. It just makes your skin look super healthy and glowing. I don't know why this was sitting at the back of my drawer. Seriously. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!